Hey everyone, we're going to be going over Elixir and learning how to use Elixir. So if you want to follow along, we're going to be using the Getting Started guide on elixirlang.org. Elixir is a pretty cool language with a lot of neat features, and we're just going to be running through kind of the basics. We're already going to have it installed, so if you want to follow along, make sure you check out the installation instructions. So I'm going to open up the command line and we're going to go from there. So interactive mode. When you install Elixir, you will have three new executables: IX, Elixir, and Elixir C. If you compiled Elixir from source or are using a packaged version, you can find these inside the bin directory. So IX, I'm guessing that's kind of like the interactive shell, and then Elixir is some sort of other shell, and then Elixir C is probably the compiler. So let's give this a try. So come into command line, type IEX, and let's run these two examples they have. So 40 plus 2, cool. So this is kind of like a REPL. And then hello world, which is this kind of weird, looks like some sort of concatenation, putting two strings together. So when we start up our shell, we get the version number and we get instructions on how to quit. So that's pretty cool. So just some simple basic things. So now we're going to look at running scripts. So after getting familiar with the basics of the language, you may want to try writing simple programs. This can be accomplished by putting the following Elixir code into a file. So we'll exit this and we'll do a file. So simple exs, Elixir exs, that must be the file extension for Elixir scripts. Then we do IO puts hello world from Elixir. Then we'll save that. And now we will do Elixir. So we're not using IEX this time, we're using the actual runner. So it's a runtime. And we get printed out to our IO, hello world from Elixir. So that's pretty cool. So it looks like EXS is the file extension, kind of like for JavaScript you'd have .js. So that's pretty neat. And let's see if there's anything more in this section. So later on we will learn how to compile Elixir code. Okay, so that's probably using that Elixir C, and how to use mix. Use the mix build tool. So sounds like there's a build tool that comes with Elixir mix. Let's see if that's installed. Yep, cool. So when you install, you should have IEX, Elixir, Elixir C, and this mix build tool. Sounds like. So for now, let's go to chapter 2, and I'll see you there in the next video.